अस्सलाम-ओ-अलैकुम प्रेमी एक्सपोज चैनल में खुश आमदीद। आज मैं टॉप जनरल नॉलेज डिस्कस किया जा रहा हूँ। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। Qaid Azam Ali Jannah, the story of nation is written by answer is J. Elana. Arabian Night is written by answer is Sir Richard Burton. Which planet is known as the morning star? Answer is Venus. Which is the brightest star in the night sky? Answer is Ceres. What percentage of isolation is received by the Earth's surface? Answer is 51%. What is the maximum length of a day on the poles? Answer is 6 months. The study of cell, especially their formation, structure, and function. Answer is cytology. The scientific study of weight and measures. Answer is metrology. 1 meter is equal to how many cubic centimeters? Answer is 100. Unit decibel is the measurement of. Answer is intensity of sound. First man to receive artificial earth was Dr. Bernard D. Clark. Gunpowder was first invented in China. Wisdom teeth normally grow during the age of. Answer is 70-30 years. Short-sightedness is due to. Answer is elongation of eyeball. Prophet Adam alayhi salam was created on this day. Answer is Friday. Prophet Adam alayhi salam had dash daughters. Answer is 2 daughters. Prophet Adam alayhi salam had dash sons. Answer is 3 sons. Battle of Chain was fought between dash in the Muslim. Answer is Persians. Umar bin Abdulaziz is considered as the dash Khalifa. Answer is 5 Khalifa. Which surah is the Holy Quran is known as the Surah Vida? Answer is Suratul Al-Nasr. Who was the founder of Democratic Party of USA? Answer is Thomas Jefferson. Water is universal solvent for what reaction? Answer is biochemical. The title of the Governor General was changed to Viceroy in the year. Answer is 1858. What is the name of first test tube baby of the world is? Answer is Louis Joe Brown. The largest man-made canal in the world is. Answer is Suez Canal. UN Nation funds for the population activities in the Northeast headquarters located in. Answer is New York. International Fund for the Agriculture Development headquarters located in. Answer is Rome. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.